Hi everyone, Laura from Communication Hackers. Video is everywhere. Your audience wants more video. They want video more than they want text, more than they want images combined. Video is hot and it's only getting hotter. I'm sure you're wondering, how can I create video? It's expensive and I don't have time. I'm trying to run my business. I have the solution for you. I am working on a 5-part blog article series that is going to walk you through all the steps that you need for free to create video that you can use for social media and even on your website, like high quality video. So in case you missed it, last week I published part 1 of a 5-part article series. It's on my blog at communicationhackers.com. I've talked about it on Facebook and social media already. Today, what I'm sharing with you, a bit of love for Valentine's, is a sneak peek at part 2 of the article series. And what's coming with this is how to rock social media using this recipe for each of these top 4 social media platforms. And with it comes this free large infographic. All you're seeing is the very top header of the infographic. This thing is a $200 value. I've seen people try to buy these off of me before. If you're following us on social media and on our website, you get this thing for free. All you have to do is check out the blog series. It's a 5-part series. Part 1 is already out. Stay tuned because next week I will be publishing article number 2 for social media. And if you stick around for article number 4, you're going to learn how I make these videos with the exact software that I've tried for 2 years. I've tried everything out there that's affordable for small businesses to create their own video. I've tested dozens, and the one I'm making right now today that you're looking, this is simply PowerPoint for the infographic you're looking at. And for me, I'm using a free web app to record myself over the top of PowerPoint. How cool is that? But you got to stay tuned for article number 4 if you want to find out my favorite tools for creating DIY video. So check out the first article and follow us all the way through all 5. So I will put the link to the first article in this post.